हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू अनदर व्लॉग। आज का व्लॉग बहुत ही स्वीट होने वाला है बिकॉज हम जा रहे हैं एक अदद बहुत फेमस इजिप्शियन मीठा ट्राई करने।
Egyptian and Saudi.
Yeah.
So it's B laban and उन्होंने UAE में अपनी ब्रांच खोली है, शारजा में, अजमान में, and now it's open in Dubai as well. And बिल्कुल हमारे घर के पीछे है।
It's in Barsha Dubai.
सुना है बहुत रश है, but I hope कि हमें
रश ना
जल्दी
मिले।
मिल जाए। Yeah, so let's go. We have reached B laban. You can see कि गाड़ियाँ कितनी ज़्यादा हैं और कितना ज़्यादा रश है यहाँ पे।
मुझे पीछे ही पार्क
फराज, आप तैयार हैं कि आप लाइन में खड़े हुए
हैं?
हैं?
लेकिन मुझे गाड़ी पीछे पार्क कर लेनी चाहिए थी।
You can see the line, ये नज़र आ रही है, लोग खड़े हुए हैं। So I don't know कि हमें ये कब मिलेगा। It's already 10:30 and the place closes at 12.
So the never-ending menus. It keeps on changing between English and Arabic, so it's crazy. Our number is 174. The bill is in Arabic, so you won't get it. Our total was 74. The house is full and waiting for our number. That's where all the preparations happen. So boys are busy.
You're welcome.
Rolling up the shiz. The amount of dry food he puts up there is crazy. I think that's how it sells. That's our koshari in the making with lotus and pistachio. Here comes the dry fruits and it's going to pack. We've got our packet of happiness. Okay जी, हम पहली चीज क्या ट्राई कर रहे हैं शजरे?
हम खाने लगे हैं पियोली कोल्ड ड्रिंक में फ्राइड आइसक्रीम। एंड ये कौन से फ्लेवर की है?
Falafel.
फलाफल।
I think it's pistachio flavor. Yeah. He recommended it because he said that it's the best.
Okay.
ये जी ग्रीन सा है। Is it pistachio flavor?
इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग फ्लेवर नहीं है, मजे का।
Okay जी।
It's like lotus caramel on the outside, pistachio on the inside. Not very sweet.
It is, I think, falafel wala flavor. It looks like a falafel. It's really good. I'm giving my taste buds.
Second item is, oh my god,
Koshari.
this is pistachio and lotus koshari, and it's loaded.
What's the base for it?
And हमने इजिप्ट में कोशारी खाई थी, so we know कि it's a blend and mixture of a lot of things, but I don't know इसमें उन्होंने क्या कुछ डाला होगा, no idea.
On top of it is pistachio, it's lotus. While they were mixing it, I saw.
नहीं, इसमें कुनाफा भी है. It has कुनाफा की वो crunchiness as well, that I know.
Okay.
Okay, third thing in the list is caramel
milk cake.
Caramel milk cake. This is one of their best sellers. And चौथी चीज हमारी लिस्ट में ये है जो फराज
milk cake.
खोल के
It's loaded with mango.
खोल के दिखाएंगे क्योंकि मैं नहीं रिस्क लेना चाहती है। आराम से प्लीज। ओके, सो दिस इज विद मैंगो चंक्स। ये भी मिल्क केक है, वो भी मिल्क केक है, ये लबन है, ये फराज है।
हमने क्या क्या खाया?
रिव्यू टाइम।
मैं बहुत खा लिया है, फुल झूल रहा हूँ इस वक्त। Anyhow, so we had koshari.
We had koshari. Koshari was, we had the pistachio and lotus koshari, yes. And उसमें कुनाफा भी था, उसमें लबन भी था, उसमें
it was very heavy. It was really good, but it was really heavy.
It was very heavy. Serving size बहुत बड़ा है, so I think कोई चार लोग तो वो आराम से एक खा सकते हैं अगर if they're having one मीठा.
Yeah.
अच्छा, second पे we had the milk cake. मिल्क केक जो है वो बहुत मजे का था, like any other milk cake honestly.
So,
but
no. So the milk cake that I ordered for myself with mangoes was with rice pudding. Specifically, Egyptians rice pudding बहुत खाते हैं. और कुछ था उसमें. It was too good.
It was very rich.
Very
it was
light.
creamy,
It was very light.
And it was very
yeah.
light. So आप जैसे कुशारी on one
Very
hand was
heavy.
very
Yeah.
heavy. But जो मिल्क केक था वो मिल्क केक में लबन बहुत ज्यादा था तो वो लबन was very lightweight. It was very airy.
And
जो तीसरी चीज हमने खाया that was the fried ice
Fried
cream.
ice cream.
And ice cream जो
It
है
looked
वो
like a falafel from outside. It also had.
It was deep fried.
yeah.
ठीक है deep fried थी and बहुत मजे की थी. अंदर pistachio ice cream थी उसके.
थोड़ा सा
Ice
neutral
cream-
सा taste था. Ice cream itself was not too overpowering. The
overpowering
flavor
नहीं
of the
थी,
ice
but
cream.
बहुत creamy थी. It was
Yes,
very rich.
yes.
And since that ice cream ball was deep fried, तो वो इतनी ज्यादा heavy थी कि I think I had
Yeah.
1.5
I
and
had
उसके
one.
बाद I was so done कि बस मतलब खत्म.
Yeah.
So
Do
this
try
event-
it. I think.
But to try it,
yeah,
हमारा
it's
total bill was 74 dirhams. But if you order a decent amount, हमने बहुत ज़्यादा order किया था कि
Yeah.
आप decent amount order करें 25 से 50 dirhams के बीच में you will get a good मीठा.
Yeah.
And rush था लेकिन ladies line में इतना rush नहीं था
So yeah,
take
there was a
lady.
ladies line and
I
ladies line
believe.
was empty.
Yeah.
So कोई rush का wait नहीं करना पड़ा.
इतना कोई heavy scene नहीं है कि बहुत ज़्यादा rush है. So yeah, do try it. And stay tuned, keep watching our vlogs and subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Bye bye.